Galaxy Buds 2 design and key specs revealed in FCC certification listing. Samsung's Galaxy Buds lineup consists of the original Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Buds Lip, and the Galaxy Buds Pro. The South Korean tech giant is currently working to launch the successor of the original Galaxy Buds, presumably named Galaxy Buds 2. The Galaxy Buds 2 has passed through FCC certification, revealing the design and some of the key specs of the earbuds. Galaxy Buds 2 design, as first spotted by tipster Max Yabor from All About Samsung. It looks like Samsung is planning to bring Galaxy Buds Pro's design to the Buds 2. From the images, you can see the round design and the silicone ear tips. Even the case is mostly rounded instead of the old pill-shaped design that we have seen with the original Galaxy Buds. We also know the battery capacity of the upcoming earbuds. It will have a 120 mAh battery with 60 mAh for each earbud, and the charging case will have a 500 mAh battery. While this is a slight step up from the 58 mAh on the original Galaxy Buds, it doesn't exceed 85 mAh on each earbud in the Galaxy Buds. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Buds has a 252 mAh battery case and the Galaxy Buds has a 270 mAh battery case. In a nutshell, the overall battery backup combined with the case is about to get better, but you shouldn't expect massive improvement while using the earbuds after a single charge. According to tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy Buds 2 will offer better sound quality, and still has active noise reduction. We could expect these earbuds alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Flip 3 and Galaxy S21 FE.